Sunshine, it's our sunshine.
Hi, my name is Pranitha, and I'm here at Sunshine Hospital. I came here with a meniscus tear in my right knee as well as a PCL tear. At the beginning when I came over here, I was kind of nervous, but Dr. Sridhar Kasturi had recommended that this hospital was a good one, especially when it came to the osteocare. So I came here, and Dr. Gopal Reddy is the one that, orthopedic surgeon, I believe is the title. He was here, and he's the one who performed the arthroscopy. And I came here 2 days ago, and it was supposed to be a walk-in, walk-out, but I chose to stay back so that I can learn how to mobilize myself. And the support staff here has been wonderful. I mean, I can't even say enough how wonderful they are. Although the doctors might be really good, one thing I've learned about hospitals is that support staff has to be really good. Doctors obviously make a difference, but so does the aftercare, the post-care, and all of that makes a huge difference. And I found that here at Sunshine Hospital is that they do care about their patients, and they have many monitoring systems in place. From what I've learned is that they have a guardian that goes ahead and ensures that the entire operations are going well. Then they have a supervisor for nursing. Not that all hospitals don't have that, but I've witnessed it in just a couple of days that I've been here by my own choice, that they really care enough to come and ask these questions and find out and get the feedback of the patient and things like that. But all I can say right now is I've learned a lot of things on how to go ahead and take care of my knee and how to move around and everything within just a very short span of time. So that's my experience, and that's how I feel about Sunshine Hospital. Thank you.
Sunshine, it's our sunshine.